Hello, this is Suzanne King. This is my web tutorial for thinkingmaps.com. Thinking Maps is a website that our district actually subscribes to. Our district is focusing on helping students to organize information that they're reading about or listening to, and organizing that thinking into different types of thinking maps. From the main page of the Thinking Maps website, the students would create a new map by clicking on Create and choosing Exercise. And I'll show you the different types of thinking maps that can be created in this website. They can create a circle map, bubble map, double bubble, tree map, brace map, flow maps, multi-flow or cause and effect maps, a bridge map, and a basic writing tool. I'll show you how one of these looks as it comes up. So if I'm bringing up a circle map, it starts you out with your basic format. Your topic is in the middle, so our topic could be something like winter. If you were doing an exercise with students, you could get ideas from them. The way to add new information is to take this light bulb wheel, that's what I call it. It's actually a row of light bulbs, and drag it and pull it into the outer circle and then drop it. And then you'll have a new text box come up, so we might write the word snow, etc. You can also change things like the fill of each part of yours, each part of your thinking map. So we might change the background color to turquoise and increase the font to something bigger in order to make it more readable. Okay, so here's some basic information about making a circle map. I will show you another map that I started. This one is a bubble map, so you can also create a map and insert photographs in different parts of the map. So here's a giant panda. I'm going to show you how you can connect information to that center circle. So again, we're going to take our light bulb wheel, pull it, and drag it until you can see the stem sticking out in the shadow. Let go, and then it drops a new bubble out here. So we can change the color of it if we want to. Maybe make that one pink. And we can say something else about pandas here, and continue to fill in our bubble map with our students. If we want our students to turn this in on Google Classroom, you can have them export the map here, have them save it as a Google Doc, and then they can turn it in on Classroom. Okay, so here's a basic tutorial about thinkingmaps.com. There's so much more I could show you about Thinking Maps, but I hope you've enjoyed learning just a little bit about this exciting website. It's been fun for me to teach the students, and I hope you'll enjoy it too. Thank you.